x times square root of x is equal to 27. We have to find the value of x. Now x is under square root. When a is under square root, it means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So when we have to remove the square root, we square it. Squaring it means we have to multiply the exponent with 2. So a raised to the power of 1 upon 2 times 2, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So to remove the square root, we square it. So let's square both the sides. So squaring both the sides, x times square root of x whole square is equal to 27 square. Now when a times b whole raised to the power of m, it is equal to a raised to the power m times b raised to the power m. Therefore it will be x raised to the power 2 and square root of x raised to the power of 2 is equal to 27 raised to the power of 2. Now this square root gets removed with the square. Now it is x raised to the power of 2 times x is equal to 27 raised to the power of 2. Again there is an identity. If a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Therefore it will be x raised to the power 2 plus 1 is equal to 27 raised to the power of 2, or x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 27 raised to the power of 2, or x raised to the power 3 is equal to 27. We can write it as 3 raised to the power of 3 then whole raised to the power of 2, or x raised to the power of 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 6. Now to remove the 3 as the exponent here, we raise both the sides to the power of 1 upon 3, or we cube root both the sides. Now square root means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So cube root means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 3. It means here exponent is 1 and this 3 comes to the numerator, so 1 upon 3. Fourth root of a means a is raised to the power of 1 upon 4 and so on. So cube root means power of 1 upon 3. So it is x raised to the power of 3 times 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 raised to the power of 6 times 1 upon 3. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled. 3 times 2 is 6. So x is equal to 3 square is equal to 9. So this is our answer. Let's verify this answer. We have to check whether LHS is equal to RHS. X is equal to 9 and then square root of x is 9. We have to check whether it is equal to 27. 9 times square root of 9 is 3. So LHS is equal to RHS. Answer is verified. Therefore, x is equal to 9 is our answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.